Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to actually add the Endslate to the end card. So what you're going to do is you're going to search up YouTube and then make sure that this one is on desktop mode, so then you could have like the same thing as the actual computer or laptop. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your right icon and then click on Creator Studio. Then you're going to click on the video that you didn't add your Endslate on, and for mine it was Tumblr intro template. So let's just do that and click on edit. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on end screen, and then you're going to click on view. Now this is important because you could see when your actual end card comes up. So mine was towards the end, obviously, and then what you're going to do is it was at 1 minute. So you're going to click on preview again and then drag the button for both the circle and the square all the way to 1 minute. Then you're going to click on use template and then click on the one that corresponds to it. So mine was the circle on the left and then the cube on the right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to remove them because obviously it's not centered, so I just put it like right underneath the words. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on like the little pencil brush so that you could click on the actual video. Now after you do that, you're just going to click on save, and then everything should work. So let's just see how it turned out. Okay, so it turned out perfectly. So now just to see if this actually works, click on save, and then let's go to YouTube again, go to my channel, and then let's see if the buttons actually work. So let's just go to the same video. Okay, so now I'm just going to move the cursor to the end because I did the Endslate there. So let's just see if it works. Okay, so it worked perfectly. So the good thing about this is that say your viewer just clicks the button, then they could subscribe. So let's just see how that works. And it takes you to the channel page, so then they could just click on the red button. And then let's see the same for last week's video. If they click on that, then you automatically get a view and hopefully a like if they click on the video. So it just takes you to that video on the channel. So hopefully they subscribe on the way. So that's pretty much how you do it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that mini tutorial.